You gotta be supportive, bro.
Yo. Whoa. You want me to help you? No, it's okay. Ah. Don't fall. Jump. What? Going hiking.
Anyone see any bears? Yeah.
It's not shallow.
Oh.
Oh, you're not supposed to go over there. All of us are going to go that way.
Whoa, that's close. Oh.
Okay. Walking stick? Yeah, I found a walking stick.
No, this one looks old.
Found a good walking stick for Daddy. Daddy, is this good for you?
That looks pretty good. That's decent looking. Let me see it. Let's turn that one upside down. Flip it. Cool. That is actually, other than some dirt.
But come on, me and Cooper have to find another one. Silver. This one. This one I could use for bucket. I have none. I really want that.
Cooper, do you think? Oh, mosquito on your face! Hurry, kill it. Do you think there's any other sticks in the forest you might be able to try?
Yeah, we're going to try and find sticks to use as crutches. Try that.
So Cooper, what about that one right there in front of you?
Found a stick that I want to use.
That's one pretty good.
Where? Ow! Daddy, these. It's still going. Dad, we can find these to hit the bear.
Oh, well, only if he attacks us. Not.
I need this one. This one's better.
There's like a baby bird right above us.
Where?
Be very quiet. So we just finished our first hike. Sienna's third of the day. It was a short one. So tomorrow we're going back.
Back where I want to go. No,